Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. As we finish up our Tiny Lund Pepsi 1969 Camaro for the USAC group build, and I'll probably have one more update video on that before we do the reveal on the 15th next week, and may do another one. I don't know. We'll see. But I'm having a blast with that one. But I've started thinking about upcoming projects, and I wanted to get a jump on one of the themes for the Acme show this year. And I want to share some information about that with you and show you which way we're going. I've hinted at it before, but we've started gathering all the materials we need to put this one together, plus a few surprises and things that I didn't think about, but I got to share those with you too. So let's get to it.
Bring your model to life with MCV products. Visit them on the World Wide Web at mcvproducts.com.
The Southern Nationals, hosted by the Atlanta Car Modeling Enthusiast, or Acme, has always been one of my absolute favorite shows that I attend every year. They always have some great themes. Wayne and the guys put on a first-rate show. They are very well organized, just a great bunch of guys too, tons of fun. I love hanging out at the host hotel the night before the show and just fellowshipping, having a great time. Going out to eat with some friends, and same thing Saturday night after the show. We just have a blast, so it's a lot of fun. If this is not on your calendar, it should be. This is an absolutely outstanding show. Southern Nationals in Cartersville, Georgia. Go to the Facebook page or to the website and check them out. This year's themes, you've got Stars and Stripes for the 250th anniversary of the U.S., so red, white, and blue cars, anything patriotic that you can come up with, there's one of your themes. And the other theme, and the one, as you could tell by my thumbnail, that I'm going to be focusing on, is music in motion. Automobiles that are inspired, or excuse me, songs that are inspired by cars. So you got Little Deuce Coupe, Pink Cadillac 409, Little GTO, and Mustang Sally's mine this year. So I'm going to have a great time with that, and I want to share with you the plan right now for Mustang Sally. As you see here, these are some pictures that I've been looking at of some Pro Touring / custom type Mustangs, and I've been really thinking about the direction I wanted to go with these, and I want to start off with the figure. And if you remember my good luck figure Clay Kemp here that I did a few years ago, I've got Sally here, as you saw in the thumbnail, and I'm going to be changing her hair to be more the reddish tone there that Clay has. And how I do that usually is just with these. This is Apple Barrel Craft Paint, and it's a matte finish, and this, as you can see, is the color we've got on the hair now. And I'm going to go back and do a wash, kind of highlight of some orange and yellow, just like the Clay figure, and do that. Then for Sally, we're going to go back and I'm going to see if I can find a small enough Mustang decal for the front of her shirt, or maybe a Ford oval. I'm not sure yet which way I'm going to go on the shirt yet, but I think she's going to be a good accent to the car. And I really am liking the grabber blue for the color with the black accents, but I'm thinking white accents. I'm not sure yet, and it may not even be any of those colors yet, guys. But some really cool stuff there. A few things I've been collecting to get started on. Here's a couple of nitrous bottles from Mr. Hobby. I've got a couple of small ones here, and they have the decals with them and all the photo etch hardware there. I don't know if you can see all that. And I've got one large one there too. It's going to depend on how much room I've got in the trunk. If you remember my Pro Touring / custom 58 Corvette, you see here, I put a couple of the large nitrous bottles and the battery back there. Well, I've got all that stuff as well that I'm going to be putting along with a fuel cell back there. And the kits I've decided to use is a combination of some parts out of several of them. Since Sally is 24th scale, I decided to go with the Monogram 24th scale kits. And I'm going to be doing as a base the 66 Mustang GT 350 and the 350R, the race version. And I've got some parts already pulled from here. And I've got some parts, I think I'm going to use this body. And I've got a few parts pulled from here. And I was going to do kind of the roll cage thing, but I thought, you know, it might ought to have a back seat. And by the way, I am going to be removing all of these fender wells, and I'm going to be doing some custom stuff in there, and it'll all be carbon fiber, whatever color with the car I end up going with. But I really did like those extra wide tires and the fenders. I found these on eBay as well. These big old fender flares, and they're in 24th scale. And check these out, guys. Is that not cool? And I'm thinking, oh my, that is going to look really, really cool. Instead of a wide body, just kind of bring that out there a little bit. Same for the front. Need a little work up there, but that's okay. That's okay. Of course, we'll remove all the scripts and go with more custom striping or things like that. But yeah, these little fender flares, I like those. I think they're going to really look good. And I'm looking into some tires, some 3D tires that'll be really wide. But I want to get, when I get these on there, then I'll get my measurement and see just how far out these need to come. And we'll see. I started to go with a convertible since it was Sally, but I thought, you know, we want to hot rod this up a little bit more. So I think this is going to look really, really good. As far as the power plant goes, let's see, my battery, the power plant, some of the seats, I got those from Matthew over at MCV Products. And let me tell you, if you want to find some absolutely first-rate, top-notch 3D printing, head over to mcvproducts.com and check this out. Got a set of seats. I want to update, and I got a couple of sets of these simply because I'm thinking about customizing the back seats too, and I don't know that if I'll do that yet or put a roll bar back there and not have back seats, but check these out. Smooth like butter. But I think these will look pretty good. I'm even thinking about removing the headrest, make them a little more stockish. But I'm not sure yet how I'll do that. I've got enough sets to try. But for the power plant, we've got a Ford Mustang V8 Dark Horse engine. And check that out, guys. Is that not just cool? Thinking about doing the upper hat there in carbon fiber and the 5.0 in photo etch. I think this thing is just cool. And if you've not built one of Matthew's engines or used any of his stuff, you need to jump in there and build some, because there's so many things that you can do with these now. Is that not just wicked? Yeah, man. So that's going to be our power plant. And yes, it will be in the car. And let's see, and I don't know, I might put one outside so you can see that just how detailed that thing is, and maybe not, I don't know. I'm working on a way to display it that will have not just Mustang Sally all over the place, but I also want you to be able to hear the song Mustang Sally. So I ordered this on eBay. I think it was like 11 bucks. I think with shipping it ended up being like 18. But still, this is cool. And I think I've got it turned on. How this works is it comes with the USB cable so you can download whatever tune onto the memory card. And I've got the volume on it turned about halfway down. I'm thinking about getting an extra speaker for a couple of bucks and just adding that to the bass too. But when you hit this button, it will play whatever song. Now there's one pre-programmed on this, and listen. If you want to stop it, you just hit the button a second time and it'll automatically restart, or it can play all the way through the whole song, or you can start it back over. Every time you hit the button, it'll stop or start. But I thought that was pretty cool, and have that displayed there. It's playing Mustang Sally. Make sure I got it turned off so I don't run the battery down. And I just thought that'd be kind of cool. But hey, if you're in that theme and you want to do something like this, I think it's cool. Like I said, I think it was like $11.99 on eBay. That's pretty good, and it's got all the goodies with it. And let's see, is there anything else I have right now? Well, I got other stuff, like I said, the battery, the fuel cell, some of the other stuff I want to, that'll be in the trunk, and I'll share that with you in an upcoming video. I think I'm going to start on the body a little bit first, and maybe the engine. I don't know yet, but right after we wrap up the Camaro, I do want to get a jump on this. And I also want to share with you a couple other things for Atlanta as well. I think that's it for the moment, guys. I appreciate you watching this. I appreciate you tagging along on the USAC build too. As I was saying, I'll probably have one more update before the reveal for the Camaro. I've just had such a blast with that thing. And yeah, I think that's it, guys. Well, listen, have an awesome weekend. Jesus loves you. I'll see you in the next video. Appreciate you guys.